here? In Seal Beach? No, we're not in Seal Beach. We're at Huntington Beach. And we just came out for the day. Randomly. But apparently today there's a lot of stuff going on. Right? Poor baby. It's not every day you see a whale on shore like that. Wow, that's beautiful and sad. So apparently the whale got washed up yesterday. He was already washed up dead. I think researchers came today to sample the whale's body to see what happened to it. But yeah, they're just keeping it there. I don't know what they're gonna do to it. Probably take it out. They're gonna have to, but it does smell pretty bad. I've never seen that before. Never seen a whale up close like that. Well, there's actually this food spot here that we've been to only once. They do taco pizza. And I thought it was pretty good. And I think that's where we're gonna go to have lunch today. This van is so cool. It has a sunroof. Do you think it... Wow. I did half and half. So adobada and carne asada. Gotta put some cilantro in there.
Wow, that's really spicy.
Number 38.
That's really good. Wow. Oh, they have pineapple in there. I like that.
Adobada.
Oh my god. They gave us 4 plates. So I guess this is for like a lot of people. Hey, it just means we can take it home. So pretty, the flowers in bloom. Ah, there's a bee. We're not looking for something specific at Crate and Barrel, but we like to just roam. Let me show you guys. $0. So what does that mean? It's free. So pretty.
Avocado.
Oh wow. Should I get 2?
Oh,
Yeah, I can get 2.
That's
We're looking for a gift for our niece. She's turning 2. Our niece's birthday. Look at this guy. It's been so cold here, so I just opened up all the windows to get the hot air in. Bro, he just rolled over. But yeah, I opened all the windows to get the hot air in because it's hotter outside than it is in the house. This guy's been loving it. Wow. You like the sun? Sweet boy. He likes that. He likes being pat on the butt. Oh, my boy's so sweet. Did it the other way. This is what we're using, by the way. What is it? Schlench? This is the hardware we chose. They had like a square version, but I didn't really like the look of that. I like the more circular one. And also the square version, when you lock it, is not here. You gotta press like some, I don't know, uncomfortable place like here or something. So yeah, that's what we're installing all around the house. So let me show you the situation. So this thing right here, it has like, this is what it originally came as, like, you know, just exposed wood like this. And what I've done is I saw this like on TikTok or Instagram, I think. They painted the inside of it so that it looks cleaner and looks like an actual shadow kind of thing. I forgot to do that here, so we're gonna have to do that first. I'm literally just using this. I think it's from Michael's. Last little bit. Let's make sure to not install it the other way around. Wow, it closes. Yeah. By the way, this thing has been a game changer. I bought one last year. This is Cobalt, which is from Lowe's, and it's an electric screwdriver. And it's a game changer because I don't have to bring like a full size screwdriver thing. You know what I mean? Like this thing right here. That's really heavy. And it's just so big and chunky, and like sometimes it's just gets in the way of things. But this one, so this is mine. I customized it, I painted it, and then Brian really liked it, so I got him one for Christmas. And yeah, we both have our own handheld electric screwdriver. This is great. I would recommend this. Go get it at Lowe's. It's like 20 bucks. So we're gonna go pick up lunch at one of our current favorite Filipino spots. Brian is really craving Filipino food, so we're gonna get that for lunch. Pinoy Pinay. Filipino food. May liempo po ba kayo? Wala po. Wala mo. Ano po ate? Isang combo. Yun po. Yeah, minudo tsaka ito po ate, itong beef. Yeah. Tsaka po, isa pong barbecue. Yummy. Oh, their barbecue is so good. And we got this beef caldereta and this. I forgot what it's called, but it's good, and they give us soup. Let's enjoy.
Hey, thanks, baby.
Yeah, this place is like mom's cooking. That's what it always reminds me of. It's really good. If you guys want to try Filipino food, go to this one. There's no signs of like what the dishes are, but just ask the ladies. They're nice. Oh, the soup is good.